This folded tail knot is the Aperture Knot. Share your passion for cameras with number 12 of the top 50 knots. And just like a camera lens, this knot focuses all the attention on your skill and on your personality. Throw our sunflower necktie over your neck with the blade or white end on the right. This is a tail knot, meaning it's tied with the tail or skinny end. So you'll want to make it much longer by aligning the tip of the blade with your trouser line. If these next steps go kind of quick, remember you can slow down the playback speed to help. Dimple the blade and cross the tail over the blade to create the neck loop. Fold the tail outside out with the fold facing up. You'll keep it folded for the rest of the knot. Go up through the neck loop and then down to the left. This starts the knot. Notice the fold is facing on the inside. Create the bottom left loop by taking the tail behind the knot. You can leave a little space here for the bottom left loop. Then go down through the neck loop and back to the left. Again, leave a little space. Take the folded tail through the left loop, down to the right. Create the bottom right loop by taking the folded tail through the right side of the top loop. Notice that the fold switched and is now facing outside the knot, whereas up to this point the fold was facing inside the knot. Cross in front of the knot and go through the left side of the bottom left loop one more time. Sometimes the fabric can get a little twisted here, so just try to straighten it as best you can. Notice the fold switched and is now facing inside the knot again. Then take the tail up through the bottom right loop. Keep the tail folded and go down through the neck loop. At this point the knot is tied, it just needs to be tightened and shaped. If you've done this correctly, you'll see what they call the blades of an iris on the camera, not to be confused with the blade of a necktie. We just want to pull the edges of these until they're all about the same size. Don't be afraid to squish it a little till the silhouette looks right. Cinch the knot by pulling down on the blade and pushing the knot up to your neck. Finish by tucking the tail in between the neck loop and your collar. Voila! Now you have a perfect aperture knot. Not many people can get this knot, so if you did, that's bragging rights in the comments. And if you didn't, I promise no one noticed. Just rewind, slow the playback speed, and try again. If you're in the photo or film industry, or you just love cameras, this is the knot for you. It isn't the best knot for a formal setting, but it's a great knot for many casual settings. It doesn't look great with a spread collar, so you'll want to stick with a more traditional collar to hide the unsightly finish of the knot. Your finished tie length should cover at least the button of your trousers. If it was short, rewind the video and make it longer, or shorter if it was long. If you found your tie wasn't great for this knot, check out our tail ties, which are designed for tail knots. If you watched this far, let me know in the comments why you stayed. Did you know you can elevate any suit or sports coat by folding a pocket square with this video here? If you liked this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.